Hello everyone. We are here to share our internship experience with Webstack Academy on Munstack development. In our team, there are myself Omkar Rupnavar, Gaikwad Sakshi and Purva Pawar. Our project name is Full Order Project. About us, in our group, we have three group members, Omkar Purva Sakshi, student at SVPM College of Engineering, Malegaon, Baramati. We are happy to be a part of this internship program and completing this internship has been an incredible knowledge learning journey. We have gained knowledge about the latest technology in the field of web development, developed new skills, and met new amazing mentors. Overview, goals of internship, full stack development, one stack about the internship project, conclusion. These are the contents of our presentation. Overview, full stack development is a rapidly growing field in world of technologies. It involves creating both the front end, what users see, and back end, how the website works behind the scenes of web application. A full stack development must have a deep understanding of various technologies and programming language such as HTML, that stands for Hypertext Markup Language, CSS, Cascading Style Sheet, JavaScript, which is also known as JS, React, Node.js, and MongoDB, NoSQL. We have used all this in our internship. Our goals of internship. The goal of internship are us to provide the hands-on experience in full stack development and to help us to build a strong foundation in one stack technology. Throughout the program, we work on a real-world project that will challenge us and push to grow as a developer. Mun stand for MongoDB, which is M, which is also used as a database in our project. Express.js means web server application. React, that is also web server, and Node is used for JavaScripting. From here, the Purva will take on.
I'm Purva. Now, next slide is what is a full stack development? Full stack development refers to a development of both front end and back end portion of a web application. It involves working with multiple technology and frameworks and require a diverse skill set. A full stack developer is responsible for designing and implementing the entire web application from the user interface to the database architecture. They must be the proficient in programming language such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and have knowledge of our databases, servers, and APIs. What is the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Purpose is that HTML is a foundation of web page. It defines the structure and content of the page by using various elements like headings, paragraphs, links, image, and more. Roles is that think of HTML as a skeleton of a web page. It provides the basic layout and tells the browser what each part of page is supposed to be. That is headings and paragraphs. CSS, cascading style sheets. Purpose. CSS is used to control the presentations and design of a web page. It defines how HTML elements should be displayed in terms of layout, colors, font, spaces, and more. Role. If HTML is a skeleton, CSS is like a skin and cloth that makes the web page look appealing. It helps in making the web page visual attractive and responsive to different devices like phones and tablets. JavaScript. Purpose is that JavaScript is a programming language used to add interactive and dynamic behavior to the web page. It allows you to create things like slider, from form validation, animation, and more. Role is that JavaScript brings life to the web page, while HTML provides the structure and CSS style sheet. JavaScript make it interactive and function, allowing user to interact with the page in real time. The key skills of full stack developers. Full stack developers are required to have a wide range of skills in order to build and maintain complex web application. They need to be proficient in both front-end and back-end development, along with excellent communication and collaboration ability. Key skills of full stack developer. First, programming language. Full stack developer need a strong foundation in language like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a front end development. Second, frameworks and libraries. Familiarity with the frameworks and libraries is crucial. These tools provide reusable components, streamlining repetitive coding tasks. Third, database management. Understanding database management is essential. Full stack developers works with both SQL and non-SQL databases. Fourth, version control and DevOps. Proficient in version control system like Git and knowledge of DevOps practices are valuable skill. 5. Soft skill. Beyond the technical experts, full stack developer benefits from soft skills such as communication, multitasking, time management, and teamwork. What is a MERN stack? MERN stack is a popular web development technology stack that consists of four components: M for MongoDB, E for Express.js, R for React, N for Node.js. Architecture and design. The architecture and design of software application are critical component that determines its success. A well-designed application is easy to use and maintain the skill. Architecture structure of MERN stack consists three parts: front-end development, back-end development, and database management. Front-end development contain HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, and back-end contain Express web frameworks and MongoDB. First, MongoDB. MongoDB is a popular open source non-SQL database management system. Unlike traditional relation databases that use tables and rows, MongoDB stores the data in flexible JSON-like documents, which means it can handle a wide variety of data structure. This flexibility makes it especially suitable for applications with unstructured or semi-structured data, where the schema might change over time. Second, Express. Express is also called Express.js. It is a minimum and flexible Node.js web application framework that provides a robust set of features for building web and a mobile application. It is a part of MERN stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, and it is a used to build a server-side application, particularly APIs, application programming interface, and web server. Now, Sakshi will explain the next slide.
I am Sakshi. Now, React.js is an open source JavaScript library used to create user interface in declarative and efficient way. It is a component-based front-end library responsible only for the view layer of a model view controller architecture. React is used to create modular user interface and promotes the development of reusable components that displays dynamic data. Node.js. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript code on the server side outside of a web browser. Node allows developers to write JavaScript code that run directly in computer process instead of browser. Node can therefore use to write server-side applications with access to the operating system, file system, and everything which is used to be the fully functional application. About the internship project, over the course of the program, we worked on a real-time, real-world object project that is a food delivery application. For example, we set it as a Swiggy clone using cutting edge technologies such as Munstack. During my internship, we worked on developing a food delivery application using the Munstack, MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. The project aimed to create a seamless platform where user could browse restaurants, place orders, and track deliveries in real time. This is the front page of our application. Now implementation. In implementation, we have provided functionalities of this project. That is display restaurant in home page. We can search restaurant. Also, each restaurant has distinct menu and also can log in and create account. Forgot password option is available. Has a cart that stores items in we ordered can processed as payment. Also can view orders, can see the profile and updates. The technologies we have used in our project is MongoDB, popular non-SQL database that provides high scalability and flexibility. Second, Node.js, an open source server environment that allows developers to run JavaScript on the server side. Third, Express, a fast and minimalist web framework for Node.js that simplifies the process of building web application. Fourth, React, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Also, Mailtrap, a JavaScript library used for building user interfaces. Stripe to process payments. Now, conclusion. We gained hands-on experience with the full stack development process from setting up the database to deploying the application. We improved my skills in React, particularly in managing state and implementing hooks to streamline the application logic. We learned the importance of efficient API design and how to ensure secure and fast data transaction between the front end and back end. Collaborating with a team, we enhanced our ability to work in an agile environment effectively, communicate with peers, and manage project timelines. The project was successfully deployed with features like user authentication, user placement, and real time tracking fully functional. The experience significantly strengthened my understanding of full stack development and prepared me for future roles in the field. Now, now Omkar will show demo of project.
Hello, I am Omkar. Now I will show you a demo of a project. So here's our project. Now we will run. First, we have to run a backend, which is a database. For that, first we have to go into the backend folder by using cd command. Then run by npm start. Npm stand for Node Package Manager. It is a script or a package of JavaScript and also a default package of Node.js. When when backend is run, then we have to connect to MongoDB. After that, then we have to open the front end folder. Then say with same process start the front end. Then it will automatically redirect to our project using default browser. Here's our front page of project. So here are 8 restaurants I add like Haldiram, Manish Dum Biryani, Twinkle Thalapati, KFC, Hotel Empire, Empire Restaurant, Imperial Restaurant since 1954, Megas Biryani and Daily Sushi. So here is login page. First we will create a new user. I will create a new user with my name, which is Omkar Upnavar, my email address, my password, which we can view. We can set avatar, but I will set as a default and then register. When it is, it will show my name. You can see with profile. You can also edit profile and update profile. When we created our user, then it goes on MongoDB on user section. I have already registered my teammates Purvas and Sakshis. Now say I have registered my name, then it has come with all email address, but password is hidden in hash key, encrypted key. So it for the security purpose. Here's our project. First, our cart is empty. So first we will put something in cart like Haldiram's, Dahi Vada. If we want to add, we can go back. Say Mani's Dum Biryani, famous biryani, Mani's Veg. When we are added to cart, it will show us options. Then first checkout. So the Stripe will open. Here I have already registered my card, so it is showing. To continue to checkout, I will enter. So when we click on pay, it will go to payment option. The payment is done via card, dummy card, which is provided by Stripe. So when we done, the cart is empty. It is how it goes to go to orders. Here it is. Now we can see our orders in database also. In database, we have to go to orders. Here it is. If we extend it, it is shown our card payment, Gobi Manchurian, and a second card payment, Dahi Papad Chaat. So, like if we say if we add something into card like KFC chicken bucket, and when we add it also, it also goes on database in MongoDB. We have to go in cards. Here it is added. Food item to add it. This is the object ID of food item which we can view in food items. Here is pani puri dahi papdi. Here in MongoDB, first we have to select register our restaurants which we have to add. Then we have to add menus which like charts section main course desserts and then add food items. Here is the full list of food items. So this is through how we can do our payments, create user, empty cart, or see our process. in, in our code. We have first by default given layouts, so we have edited it. There are also the actions, reducer, users, constants, multiple constants like cart, menu, order, restaurant users. Here we have to use it as a constant to create means what a first class name, and then we have to give its name. Then we can import in multiple like in home page, login page, sorry, home page, restaurant page, or also we can use in here restaurant here order all restaurant request, or in also cart we can also import. So this is our overview of the project. Thank you. We like to thank you the Webstack Academy to give us a chance to uh, show our internship project and to guide us. Thank you, mentors.